Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Trello to Asana with CSV step by step clearly. To transfer tasks from Trello to Asana using a CSV file, start by logging into your Trello account. Select the board that contains the tasks you want to transfer. Click on the Show menu option on the right side of the board. In the menu, select More and then click on Print and Export. Choose the option to export as JSON and download the JSON file to. Next, visit a JSON to CSV conversion website or use a converter tool. Upload the JSON file you downloaded from Trello. Follow the instructions on the site to convert your JSON file into a CSV format. Once the conversion is complete, download the new CSV file. Now, log into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to import the tasks. Look for the option to import in the project menu. Select the CSV import option. Upload the CSV file you created from your Trello tasks. Asana will prompt you to map the columns from the CSV file to the corresponding fields in Asana. Review the mappings and make any necessary adjustments. Once everything looks correct, confirm the import process. After the import is complete, check your Asana project to verify that all tasks have been. Make any final adjustments or updates as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.